Welcome back, guys. Now I'm going to explain you how to log in into a website and how to design a website. So first step, what you want to do is you want to click on Google Chrome and just click on Google. So in order to develop any kind of website, first you have to go to the Google and just you have to register in some domain. So in order to register in your domain, you have to go to GoDaddy or something like Host Manager, so that you can log in into Google Chrome. You just click on the official site of GoDaddy. So for going that, it will show you whether you want to sign in to the login page of your website. Just click on the sign in. So it will ask for the username and password. So click on your username and the password.
ఏం చెప్తాను రా అసలు ఎందుకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాను అంతగానో
So now it will open your menu. So by default it will ask whether you want to save your password or not. If you don't want to save your password, just click on nope, and it will ask you whether which kind of domain you want to describe for you, whether you are paid for creating or maintaining a website, or you want to create or maintain a website for friends or families, and but don't want to paid, or you want to buy or sell domains for profit, for just giving the Google AdSense, or for gaining some money. So just click on nothing, because make it as default. Just when you scroll down, you can see the products folder, so that you can see domains as well as web hosting and email and photo album. So if you click on domain, if you launch that, so in these domains it will show you which domain you have brought from the website. So when you launch that, then it will show you which domain you have brought from the GoDaddy website. So if you click on down, just wait for that. So here I have just registered a domain called makethefuture.java.com. So I have just created this domain, and on the date of 12th 10 December 2014. So it will get expires on this. So make it as default and come back now. You can see where the web hosting menu here tab. So in this web hosting, you can find some details regarding the site where you are going to launch or you are going to design your website. So just click on launch. So it will redirect to the gateway where you are going to design your website. You are adding some files, or you want to go to add some HTML or JavaScript, or any kind of programming stuff, so that you are going to design your website. So it will show you the redirecting page, so that you should the first step you have to do is that you have to manage the settings of the website. So by default it will ask whether you want to verify your email address or not. You just click on OK, so that you are going to verify your mail where you are going to register your website. Yeah. So this is the hosting accounts where you are going to design your website. So this is the home page, that how your website is designed. So do you want to manage the settings which were designed? Just click on manage, so that you will redirect to control panel. Yeah. So this is the control panel that you can see here. In this some menus are there. In the first menu, that is it is files, where the file managers, you can upload and download the files. For example, if you want to insert some images to your website, then you can insert all the images on this website. And if you want to design, if you want to store some amount of data into your database, then you can manage here in this usage. And FTP accounts, usually in order to transport the protocols from your website, you can transport this all FTP. In this FTP, you are going to upload and download the files which were etc. Like if you are designing by using HTML and CSS, then you can upload or download the files in the FTP. Just if you go scroll down now, you can see the preferences here. In the preferences, you can see some get started wizard, where you are going to start your website here. If you want to add some video tutorials here, you can add some video tutorials. And if you want to update your contact info, or if you want to do some shortcuts to your website, then you can happily design here. If you come down now, if you want to interact with any database, then you can happily interact with database. Like if you want, for example, if you consider MySQL databases, you can happily design the MySQL database, and you can interact with that, and you can store some data to your website. If you come down now, if you want to feature an applications to website, then you can happily design a web applications to your website. Then by default I'm using WordPress. If you want to use the portal called Joomla, then you can happily use that Joomla. Or if you want to use Drupal, then you can use Drupal. Or if you want to use PHP, then you can this. So in our website I'm going to use WordPress, that's why I just click on this. And if you want to manage the domains, and if you want to manage the accounts of your mail, if you want to get some mails from the users which were using we were using the website, then you can see all these emails and domains in this. So but by default I'm using the featured application, web application called WordPress. It's just click on WordPress now. So I will redirect to the WordPress because I'm going to design my website by using WordPress. This is the application that I have designed my WordPress to install Chrome. This is install Chrome where I'm going to design my web application. So if you come down now, this is the web application how my website looks. So just want to go to my application so that you can manage all the applications that you are going to design your website. Yeah, this is my website that I have owned. The title of the website is the Make the Future Java, and you can see the three links here which is provided. The first link is that it will redirect to your website, and the second link is that you can manage all the design, or you can manage the admin panel of your website, and you can add some plugins, and in plugins that you can design your website. And this is support. If you want any doubts or if you want any help, you can directly mail to the WordPress organization support, and you can get some detail from them. But by default this is your website. Just click on this. So now it will redirect to your website, www.makethefuture.com. So this is your website that you are designed. If you come from header part, there is an image call, and you can see the contact us form where you Facebook and Twitter as well as G Plus, and in all these things are added here. And just click on down now. These are all the menus that you are designed. Home, about us. If you click on about us, then it will show you like this. So it will show you the details of your website, the main aim of why you are going to design your website. So just if you scroll down now, you can see the founders of this website, and what is the vision and ambitions and our values, and what our students told about this website, or what our programs are designed in this website, or flexibility or instructions or stuff and all. So now you can see why to learn Java. Some 10 steps why you should learn Java. So and here also on how to teach Java, and what are the things that we are going to teach in this website. So if we come now J2SE, we are going to tell all these topics, that introduction to Java, control statements, variables, data types, and object-oriented programming. That so many menus are there, you can see, and all these concepts that we are going to discuss here. Apart from these, this is subject knowledge, right? So if you want to do some activities related to practical knowledge, to gain practical knowledge, then you are going to add some video tutorials to your website, so that you are going to design. We're going to add some videos so that we'll get practical knowledge, as well as you are going to conduct some intellectual debates, so that people can interact with that, and they will get certification, and they can share the knowledge. And so also along with that, we are going to conduct some workshops, so that you are going to do some website design, and you can also contact with us all these things. So these are the problems. Now come to home. So now you can see a slider called these things will be slider there, and if you just click on this, now you can see all the sliders which were designed to your website. And also there are three menus that were designed in the website, so that people can understand what is the main purpose of doing this website, online support and sharing the knowledge, who we are, all these things. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Bye.